In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Slide Master in LibreOffice Impress. By the end, you'll know how to set consistent styling for your entire presentation, all from one place, so you don't have to format every slide manually. First, launch LibreOffice Impress. Open the application the way you normally do on your computer. If Impress prompts you to pick a template or start from scratch, that's fine. But for this walkthrough, we'll work with a file you already have. Go ahead and open an existing presentation you want to standardize. It's a good idea to save a backup copy before making global design changes, just in case you want to revert later. Once your file is open, you're ready to edit the master. Now, open Master Mode. At the top of the screen, go to the View menu and choose Master Slide. When Master View opens, you'll see the master slide in the main workspace and a floating Master View toolbar. This special view is where you define the default look and behavior of your slides, including fonts, background, logos, and placeholders. Think of it as the blueprint behind every slide in your deck. On the left-hand side, in the Slides pane, select the specific master or layout you want to edit. The topmost item is typically the primary slide master, which sets styles for all associated layouts beneath it. Editing the slide master is great for universal elements, like your brand colors, fonts, and background image. The layouts underneath inherit those settings, but can be tailored for specific use cases, like a title slide or a to-content slide. Click the one that matches what you want to control. From here, make your design choices. Add a logo to the master if you want it on every slide, and place it consistently, usually in a corner with appropriate margins. Set your background using the format options. A solid color or subtle image works best for readability. Adjust default text styles by selecting the title and content placeholders and choosing fonts, sizes, and colors that are clear and accessible. If you use slide numbers or dates, enable and position those on the master so they appear consistently. Keep contrast high and avoid overly busy backgrounds to ensure your content remains the focus. As you edit, remember that changes in the master or a layout will cascade to all slides that use it. When you leave Master View and return to your presentation, you'll see the updates applied. Save your file to lock in the new, consistent design across your deck.